Hello, today you're looking at a Rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. It's wired for 480 volt 3-phase. This unit can be hooked up to a PLC or run in manual mode, which is how we have it right now. Take a look at the nameplate on the front. And manual and auto mode here. You can see it is in manual, and we'll start it up now for you. And the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.